everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing more upcycling Christmas decorations. So today I would like to show you something I tried last year and everyone really liked them, so I would like to show you, so you may want to do it as well. So I have these jars from IKEA, your kitchen storage jars. They are really reasonably priced. I have 3 of them. I'm not sure if I will do the 3 of them, but you can either use something similar or smaller or bigger, whichever way you like in the space you have available. So what I do, when I look for Christmas decorations, I'm always looking out for little Christmas decorations for the tree. I don't actually like to use them in the Christmas tree, but I think the size is fantastic to do these little Christmas winter scenes. So I have little things like this, so cute. Little polar bears. So all different kind of things. I buy on eBay these tiny little Christmas trees. You buy a pack of about 20 or 30 for £8 or £9. I bought them last year. Obviously I'm reusing them again this year. So as you can see, I have a big selection of little items. I call them miniatures. So for you to have a better idea of the things you can use to build your little Christmas wonderland. If you have children and use some of the Disney little pieces that they sell these days, I think will be a great idea as well to make one for the children's bedroom. You don't need to do glass. You can find a container that is plastic to be safer for the children, and I think it will work really well as well. So you can see there, I have a couple of these tiny little lights as well, because I put them inside, and some of them so they can be illuminated at night. I think is a very nice touch as well. So I always start with fake snow. I actually keep it from one year to the other. So what I'm going to do can get a bit messy. So that will be my base. Mia just came in, she's interested to see what I'm doing. There's no right or wrong, you just keep trying until it looks nice to you. So I keep playing with it and find the right one. The carol singers, I love them. Got this doll this year. I think I'm going to put it behind the carol singers because I think it will look nice. So this is the end result. And it's great because you have the lid on, so it's not going to get dusty or the children won't be playing with it because he is very cute. So in there, that door, you can see on the video, so I'm going to show you. You can also use these glue dots because they are clear. So I used it on the ends there just to make sure that it won't move. So that's a good way of doing it as well. So that's one Christmas winter scene done. So let's start another one. So again, you just get the feeling for it really. It's no right or wrong. Use what you have. I'm going to use this little polar bear. Love this little sleigh. I'd like to use it, I'm not sure how. So if I bring him forward. So also, to create different levels, I got this in the range last year. It's a candlestick holder. So what I do with a hot glue gun, and I will glue the two pieces together. If I can show you so you have a better idea. So when you put them on a table, a shelf or a sideboard, it just creates different heights, creates more interest. Another thing I can show you, I got this one last month. So the principle is the same. I think I got them in Home Bargains, I think, I'm not sure. In the wedding section. Smaller, so if you want to use something quite small, if I can move this around for you, as you can see, if you do this one as well, and you just play with it in your house and see what works for you, and or you don't need to have them all together. You can have them in different places around the house. It works just as well. I'm just giving you ideas. These ones are quite cheap, so you can get a few of them, a couple of them, or just the jars that you have around in your kitchen, or you can buy them at reasonably priced. Yeah, this little project here, another little contained Christmas winter scene. I have glued with a blue tack this tiny little gold snowman, if you can see there. Just to keep it in the center and in place so it doesn't move. And now I'll just put some fake snow in. Like so. So this one is quite simple really. I'll just put some Christmas tree bubbles, just to give it a bit more colour there. So, if you remember, this was silver. I sprayed it gold. I had this little pine doorknob. I sprayed it black. And using my hot glue gun, I'm just going to put a bit of hot glue, find the center, like so. There. So it's very pretty, very simple, took us a couple of seconds to do. So what I have here now is much bigger scale. The principle is the same. I bought this last year in the range because I had nativity set inside. This year I have used one of my old drawer to set my nativity set. So I'm left with this beautiful lantern. So I'm going to do the same. Obviously, it's all about size proportions. So in the jars, because they are quite small, I use the small trees. This one is quite big, so I have a small hand, but still you can see this is a beautiful size. So the principle is the same. I'm going to start with the snow in the bottom. This beautiful one. So I'm going to put it right in the corner there. And this one there. So this is the end result. I have fed the lights through. You can use lights like this one. The one I have is actually thicker. The wire ones are definitely best. The wire string ones are definitely best for this. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to give the thumbs up. Thank you.